So good afternoon guys. Today we'll be unboxing my MacBook Air 2020. So it's in the color of rose gold. So let's open it. So this is my first MacBook laptop. So I'll be using this for work from home. So at first you'll see the laptop, and then we'll be removing the sticker. Let's put it out first. So there, it's slim. So there you go. And then we have the cable for charging. Then we have the manual. We have the adapter for charging. So I'm sorry, I just took a bath. That's why my hair is so messy. And then that's all. So we'll be opening it in my view. So let's lift it up. As far as I know, it's opening in its own if it's charged. So let's hope it's already charged. There you go. So let's remove the lid for protection. Oh my god, you can see me from the back light. I'm using a lamp because I don't have a ring light yet. Sorry for my room, it's so messy. So there you go. Let's choose the language. So English, UK.
To use English as the main language, press the return key. To use English as the main language, press the to use English as the main language.
Click the arrow button. And then let's press the Philippines. Oh my god, I'm getting a hard time because it's my first time using a MacBook. 2 fingers. Philippines. So it was interrupted earlier because my dad called me. So Philippines, and then press continue. And then the following languages are commonly used in your region. You can set up your Mac. Use the settings or customize them individually. So preferred languages, using that one. So continue. Then connecting. So we have 2 Wi-Fi. We have Asian Vision, and then the faster one is Converge. So I'll be choosing the Converge. Password. So oh my god. Yeah. Fuck. Shit. Wait, I have to turn this up because the password was PC. So I have one that I input my iCloud, so it needs the verification code from my iPad, so it's very secured. Oh my god, I'm so sexy. Allow. So there you go. 870 158. So terms and condition, A, macOS software license agreement, Game Center terms and conditions, C, warranty. So agree. I don't have time to read it. So agree. So new password. So I have to censor this part as well. So iCloud is already setting up. It's taking time. So I think I already need to cut this part because it's taking too long. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching my MacBook Air 2020 unboxing. So see you on my next vlog. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell at the bottom right below.